The next villain in your six-pack journey is artificial lights. Exposure to artificial or blue lights can disrupt the circadian rhythms, which is proven to cause diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. It affects melatonin production, which is a super hormone which allows you to reduce your weight and increase your sleep. Now, let's see a few things that you can add to your life to lose weight easily. The first one is vanilla. You can use it in tea, in extracts. You can even buy some good vanilla candles. Why does it work? Because vanilla suppresses appetite and it boosts metabolism. When you have vanilla around you, your cravings for sugary food goes less, and it also helps you with weight loss. The next one you've probably heard about. It's called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. NEAT primarily refers to all the calories that are burned when you're not exercising. Increasing your movements every day, like walking or standing or gardening, can help you lose much more weight than going to the gym, much more than an hour of intense workout. It's one of the most underrated things to get into shape.